My name is Kim, and I attended Central Coast College from 2018 to 2019. I studied the Medical Admin Administration program. I really enjoyed my time, my experience there. So with the teachers there and the hands-on that they do, I really felt like they did a lot to help and prepare me for when I was ready to come out and do what I'm able to do as a medical administrative assistant. To be honest, I enjoyed when it was like Halloween or any of the things that they do with the students when they did like taco trucks. I really enjoyed how well the teachers and the whole staff in the office is just very, how do you say it? Like they're just very connected with all the students. I really enjoyed all of that. The way I would encourage somebody is really give them my experience. I had a very great experience there, very positive, and I would just have to tell them my story and to have no fear and just to go for it, you know? Right now, I am employed at Ocon Family Chiropractic as a CNA assistant.